Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna work on our journal again, of course. One more day. And I'm going to start tackling this one. I painted it black. It's a double spread. And because it's February now, I'm kind of theming it about love, specifically about self-love. So cut one thing out, kind of like this because of the contrast. And I'm gonna paint something or draw something on this side. So yeah. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna work on my black background. I just painted this with chalkboard paint. And I like this, so I cut this one out. And I'm gonna kind of change. It says Vogue on here. It's from the Vogue magazine. I kind of like the contrast in the colors, so I'm going to change that a little bit, the writing. And then, because it's about love, self-love, I really like this. So I'm kind of trying to take a picture and put it on my iPad so I can replicate it on here. Not exactly, just somewhat. And yeah, work with that, and then kind of maybe use some, make some draw flowers, black and white flowers around it, and do my writing. So yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so I glued this on. It's pretty wet because I have to use school glue. Let's emphasize the light a little bit. Just gonna play with it a little bit. Now let's do this lady over here. Okay, so I sketched a little bit over here. It's not exactly, but close enough to what the original is. And I'm just gonna, instead of saying Vogue on here, let's do love, right? It's almost dry. And I'm just using a charcoal pen, I guess. Not charcoal, sorry. Chalk pen. Gee. English. Probably gonna put this, do some white on here. I like her hair up. I'm gonna use my white that I still have here and just start filling hair in. So I have to let this dry. It's kind of wet, so start to See if I can do some writing in here.
For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. My breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left.
Well, here it is. I kind of stopped filming. I just used my white paint, my magenta paint, a few markers, you know, and kind of just embellished it a little bit and put a bunch of quotes on here relating to self-love. Yeah, I actually really like it.
I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything.
Came out pretty cute. Who knows, I might add some stuff at some point, but right now it's good enough. Let me know on the comments, what do you think? And if you enjoyed this episode, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share, you know, all that good stuff. Watch the journal series up here, wherever I put it. Can't remember which corner it's gonna go, but you know, it's gonna be up there or down in the description show notes. Okay, I hope you guys gonna have a wonderful week. See you in the next one. Bye.